Hi friends, today we are making a healthy Turkish sautéed spinach and eggs recipe, inspired by a spinachli yumurta. It is fast, high in protein, full of greens, and finished with cool yogurt for that classic Turkish balance. This makes 2 servings and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Ingredient walkthrough: 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil gives the vegetables just enough richness while keeping the dish light. 1 small yellow onion builds the sweet base that makes this Turkish-style sauté taste slow-cooked. 2 cloves of garlic add a warm savory note without overpowering the spinach. 1 tablespoon tomato paste brings concentrated tomato flavor and a classic Turkish red color to the pan. 1/4 teaspoon Aleppo pepper, divided, gives gentle heat and a fruity Turkish pepper aroma. 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt seasons the greens and helps the onions soften evenly. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper adds a quiet background warmth to the eggs and spinach. 8 ounces baby spinach are the heart of the recipe, and they cook down quickly into a tender, nutrient-packed base. 3 large eggs turn the sauté into a satisfying high-protein meal, with soft yolks that make their own sauce. 1/2 cup plain low-fat Greek yogurt gives the traditional cool, tangy contrast that makes the hot spinach and eggs feel complete. To begin the preparation, stir 1/2 cup plain low-fat Greek yogurt in a small bowl until smooth, then keep it chilled while we cook the hot spinach and eggs. Now prep the greens by checking 8 ounces baby spinach and roughly chopping any large leaves so they wilt evenly in the skillet. Next, finely chop 1 small yellow onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic, keeping them separate because the onion needs more time than the garlic. Now that the vegetables are ready, warm 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil in a 10-inch nonstick skillet over medium heat for about 1 minute. Add the chopped 1 small yellow onion and 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, then sauté for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often, until the onion looks soft and lightly golden at the edges. Once the onion has softened, add the minced 2 cloves of garlic and cook for 30 seconds, just until fragrant so it does not burn. Now stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste, most of the 1/4 teaspoon Aleppo pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, saving a tiny pinch of Aleppo pepper for the end. Cook that tomato paste mixture for 1 minute, pressing it into the onions, until it darkens slightly and smells sweet and savory. Add about half of the 8 ounces baby spinach to the skillet and toss for 1 to 2 minutes, letting the leaves collapse enough to make room. When the first handful shrink down, add the remaining spinach and keep tossing for another 2 to 3 minutes, until all the greens are glossy and wilted. Continue sautéing the spinach mixture for 2 minutes, stirring frequently, so any extra moisture evaporates and the eggs will sit neatly in the pan. Now lower the heat to medium-low and use the spoon to make 3 small wells in the spinach mixture, spacing them apart for the 3 large eggs. Crack 3 large eggs into the wells, 1 egg per well, and try to keep each yolk centered in the spinach. Cover the skillet and cook for 4 to 6 minutes, until the egg whites are fully set and the yolks are still soft. For firm yolks, cook about 2 minutes longer. Turn off the heat, uncover the skillet, sprinkle on the reserved tiny pinch of Aleppo pepper, and let the eggs rest for 1 minute. The cooking is finished. Here it is, healthy Turkish sautéed spinach and eggs, bright, savory, protein-rich, and exactly the quick meal we promised at the start. Serve it warm with the cool yogurt on the side, and break those soft yolks into the greens at the table. If you enjoyed this Turkish fit egg recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy home cooking.